a lot of these non-qualified plans are originally set up as what we would refer to as an excess plan. For one reason or another, perhaps highly compensated executives cannot make complete contribution to a 401k plan, for instance, because of non-discrimination testing purposes. Well, if they don't have a non-qualified deferred compensation plan, here you have an executive, say, making $250,000 a year, and instead of putting in their limit, 22,000 some into the 401k plan, testing says you can put away 10, but that's the top in terms of $10,000 because otherwise we're going to be discriminatory. So they're capped. That's not good for them. That's not good for the organization. It's certainly not good from an attraction and retention standpoint. So a lot of these plans are built where the original cause is so that that executive can at least get all of their deferral put away for retirement up to that 22,000 and change number. And importantly, as you might think, what about the match that's associated with that? So I'm not only missing out on putting my own dollars away, I'm missing some pretty solid company matching dollars, which by the way, I'd like to have. It's like, well, at least get me square with everybody else in my organization in terms of what I'm able to put away. Because again, not to take our eye off the ball for this conversation, but that executive who's making that kind of money is still looking at replacement ratios in retirement that are based on their numbers. So, if you're making $250,000 a year and only putting away $10,000 plus a little bit of match on that, most of the calculators in our business, that's not going to look really good when you get to your retirement date.